Hey there YouTube, today we're going to be unboxing an extra special lobster. Super, super rare. It is SJ on Sneaker Cam, the Green Lobster. Let's go and have a look at this. Hey there YouTube, today we're going to be unboxing this super, super big box which has got an extra special Nike SB Dunk in, the Green Lobster. If you're new around here and you don't know what we do, we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We do sneaker streaming Sunday, every Sunday, clearly, because I've said it's Sunday. And we also do these cinematic on foot things. And if you don't know who I am, my name's Mr. B. Shall we get to it? It's huge, and it took 3 weeks to get to us, didn't it, SJ?
Yep.
3 weeks. And it cost, well, import taxes and stuff were a lot, but we'll get back to that. So let's see if we can find a way to undo this box. I'm kind of nervous to undo it. Right, this is gonna take forever. So, you ready for this, everyone? SJ, get in on that. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh no. There's no way to undo it without cutting the tape. So everyone, so let's have a look at it first. So what we've got is a box that is supposed to resemble a box that lobsters might come in. Cracked ice here. This was actually used in the Nike sneakers app, in the AR thing. I think from an earlier one it would reveal. Don't quote me on that. But weight of the lobster, apparently 11.5 pounds. The government in the UK thought it weighed much, much more than that, and so charged us a lot more than that. But this nice plastic top here, which is kind of amazing. Oh, I didn't see the back. So, Nike SB concept, you get that, SJ? All in all, so far, 10 out of 10 for packaging. I kind of don't want to undo it, but I'm going to. I'm going to do this. Because it's a normal SB box under here. I can see that, everyone. It's a normal SB box. We're just going to stop the video for a second, because it is so nice and so rare. This is so nice. We're back. Just did a quick picture for the old Instagram story. If you don't follow us on Instagram, it's Pint of Stuff. Go and have a look. This is getting exciting. I'm doing it. I kind of don't want to do this. This is so bad. There's no way to get them out without cutting the tape. Honestly, there isn't a way. Right, I'm doing it. There we go. So just cut one side. Get the box out. There we go. Why am I so excited about a box? This is ridiculous. It's a piece of plastic and I'm so excited about this. One last look, everyone, before we put that away. Right, there we go. It's a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro OG Quick Strike. QS. It's a US 11.5, that makes it a UK 10.5. Apparently the CM on the inside foot is 29.5. We haven't talked about that for a while. The colorway is Green Stone, Legion Green Fur, and the code, everyone, just in case you're interested, is BV1310337. Suggested retail price $100. So for all us UK people, we know that this has come from the US. Are we ready for this? We've waited so long for these. Boom. Woodcut paper. Okay. Of the two colorways, I can already tell you that we have. So the purple or the green? It's the green. There you go, SJ. Get your laughing eyes around that, as they say. Let's go back in here, back there. As always, with lobsters, everyone, we get a ton of stuff. We've got, I'm just gonna put the one without all of the stuff on it first. I'm gonna come into SJ. Factory lace with green standard SB laces. We've also got an amazing pink, magenta? Magenta or pink, what do you think? Black, I think, and that's it. And then obviously, they come with a gray rubber band and a blue rubber band. Feast your eyes. Are your eyes feasting, SJ? Do they feel well fed? Is that not a shoe and a half? That is amazing. So average look, no one's gonna know what these are, just the average Joe on the street. We all know, and actually if you feel the materials, like they are so nice. This is so silky. And I love that they've got their speckled like the others. So we have the purple, we picked the green up. Shout out to our friend Toxic Cylon for putting us onto these, or putting me and SJ on. Obviously these in-store release of these failed, as I understand, the website crashed, all of that stuff. So they did a redraw, SJ and I entered, and as is the way at the moment, I'm failing, taking the L, as they say. SJ is winning these bad boys. She's like, did you get the notice? And I'm like, no. And she said, oh, look at this. But it has taken 3 weeks for these bad boys to get here. That's right, isn't it, SJ? 3 weeks. You have been tracking these every single day. They smell good. I really want to try these on. Do we want to have a quick look? So we've got this. Even the swoosh is actually, it looks slightly weathered. Is that showing up on the camera? You see, like, it's not a pure green, is it? It's not a pure green. It's definitely got that weathered look to it. We flip for the sole, lime green sole by the looks of it. I like this touch here. I love this touch along the midsole. Apologies everyone, I got off a plane 12 hours ago. Flew from Austin to JFK, then on to London, and yeah, I feel a little bit funny. But going back to the stitching, I like this lime green stitching. I love the counter on the black sole. Black midsole, not black sole, that would be the sole. Counter colour here makes this bit pop. Again, I'm going to talk about the materials. I've talked about them a lot already. They are super, super smooth. Going inside, I'm not taking it out because SJ freaks out. He says, oh look, I am taking it out. SJ right now, she's going, what are you doing? What are you doing? But I'm taking it out. I'm taking it out because I want to show you in detail. That's what I do for everyone. I take them out. There we go. So we've got that kind of, it's a napkin, or is it ging? It's not gingham, is it? Did I just make that up? Did I make up a word?
Well, no, it is kind of gingham.
Yeah.
But isn't it meant to represent the napkins that you have in lobster restaurants?
It is meant to represent the napkins that you get in lobster restaurants. I'm going to just tuck this in nice like, and it's going to stop me. I'm not going to do that. We're going to put that back in there, but that's repeated all the way round, and actually on the in there, on the inside of the shoe, on the collar and beyond, you can see that repeating. And then we've got on the front a small Nike SB tongue tab. You know what we've not investigated, everyone? We all know that SJ's got a bit of a problem with the way Nike SB stitch Nike on the back of the dunks. We've talked about this before, haven't we? We've really talked about this. She's got a problem with it, right? She hasn't seen it yet. I'm going to flip it to her, the back of this, that is. You've seen it, so you can see this. We're now going to show this to SJ. I'm going to see if she is definitely going to complain about these, or she's just going to, You ready? How's the Nike for you, SJ?
Not quite perfect.
It's not quite perfect, go on. You've still got a problem with the stitching.
Yeah. It really bothers me.
It really, right, I don't know if that's coming, like that will come across on Sneaker Cam, SJ over there on Sneaker Cam. That's definitely showing there. You've definitely got a problem with it, yeah?
There's a gap, a bigger gap between the E and the K again, but at least the E looks a little bit better than on your diamond dunk.
Yeah, it looks more straight than the last ones we
does.
looked at. Such a ridiculous thing to be noticing. Just the E there, it's just not quite right. I call this out on the purples. I'm loving the fat padded tongue as well. And actually, what I didn't call out is that obviously the inner sole and the collar and stuff, but the actual back of the tongue as well has got that napkin type pattern, which you can see there. You got that on the Sneaker Cam, yeah? Mm-hmm. What do you all think? Do you prefer the green or the purple that released? I'm a fan of the green. I think these are a more natural colorway for me. I would probably have bought these whether they were from Concepts or not. Like I wear a lot of green, a lot of muted colors. I think I'm gonna get one of these magenta. I'm liking the word magenta at the moment. It feels a little bit more like fancy than pink. Are they cerise pink? No, they're not. I don't know what I'm talking about at the moment. I'm just feeling for time, everyone. I'm trying to get this lace out. Is that not popping? Like that's how these are going to be. And when we do the on foot for these laces are going to be in, because I think that is such an amazing, like I just love how sharp that is. I've got a really big meeting in 2 weeks. I might wear these with the laces in on the second day of the really big meeting, just to give me, just to get a little bit of confidence. What do you think, SJ? These, like, it's signaling intent. Yeah, I'm here. I know what I'm doing. I do, honestly. Let me know what you all think, people. Like, I said this before, but which ones do you prefer of the two pairs that we have? Because we got the purple, which we forgot to bring down. They're upstairs, aren't they? When we do the on foot, I'll bring the purples in for the little review afterwards, and I'll show them side by side, and you can all check and see whether you prefer the green or the purple. I'm much more feeling the green at the moment. I think the purple definitely are there for shock value. You're definitely not going to miss someone wearing those, which makes me think maybe I'll wear the purple on one day and the green on the next. That would be a strong sneaker game for that week, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That would definitely be super strong. So everyone, that's all I've got for you today. All I've got for you is a green lobster. Super rare, remember, super rare, with the amazing box from Concept, Nike. Amazing job. Like that, which you can't see right now, is my most favorite packaging that I have. Without further ado, I just want to say thanks for everybody that subscribed. We are definitely well on the way to 2,000 now, and if you're new around here and you haven't subscribed, it's just down there. Don't forget, to all our regulars, if you haven't smashed that notification bell, go ahead and do it, because it really does work. Come and join us on Sundays, Sneaker Streaming Sunday. Definitely worth it, isn't it, SJ?
Uh-huh.
You have fun, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We talk to a lot of people.
Mm-hmm.
Loads and loads of fun. All I want to say is thanks everyone, and I will see you, or SJ will see you, in the next video. I'll see you later.
I'm not in the next video.
You're not in the next video?
No, you are.
Am I in the next video?
I haven't got anything to unbox.
That is very true. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. See you later, people. Bye. Huxley, do you want some lobster? Yeah, you want some lobster? It's tasty. You can't have these, but yeah, you like them. Thumbs up, pause up for these. Right. SJ, thumbs up from you? Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
Uh-huh.
Have you felt the material?
No.
Just have a little stroke.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
You didn't really call out the specklediness of the, yeah, you can really see that there.
It's good, isn't it?
Nice.
Yeah, anyway. These are going back in their fancy box. Yeah, boom. Right.